Why choose a San Juan fiberglass pool? In this video, we will compare San Juan fiberglass pools to concrete pools. Installation time. It takes significantly less time to install a fiberglass pool compared to a concrete pool. It takes on average 2 to 3 weeks to install a fiberglass pool. In fact, delivery and lowering the pool to the excavated ground all happens in one day. Here is a fiberglass pool project from start to finish. Concrete pools take on average over 8 weeks to complete. Factors such as weather conditions and design complexity can add to completion time. Production quality. San Juan fiberglass pools are manufactured under controlled and quality-assured process. San Juan Pools is the originator of the one-piece fiberglass pool manufacturing. Production quality. In addition to the strict production guidelines, San Juan pools are made of hand-laid layers of strand mat roving to provide consistent layers of thickness. Overlapping seams create a 15-layer thick structure for strength and durability. The pool is finished with 32 mil gel coating. For concrete pools, the quality is dependent on job site conditions and construction crew. Design options. The design options for concrete pools are unlimited. The options on size, shape, color, and even depth are numerous. San Juan Pools currently has over 100 pool and spa models in 4 colors: white, sully blue, and the iridium colors of granite and blue lagoon. Once installed, water features, pool lights, bubblers, tiles, and the desired pool deck design can be added. The San Juan pools come in a variety of shapes and built-in features such as tanning ledges and spas. Interior finish. With its 32 mil gel coat finish, San Juan pools have a smooth and skin-friendly finish. No more scraped toes or snagged swimsuits. This smooth surface lasts throughout the life of the pool. The surface of a concrete pool gets rougher with age. Even when first constructed, its surface is never as smooth as that of a fiberglass pool. Algae and bacteria. The non-porous surface of a fiberglass pool resists algae and bacteria. On the other hand, the concrete pool surface is porous. Algae and bacteria grow through the walls and attaches to the concrete pores. Pool care and maintenance. With its non-porous surface, there is no need to routinely scrub the pool. It takes less than 1 hour a week to maintain a fiberglass pool. In contrast, concrete pools take about 3 hours to maintain. The green advantage. Because San Juan pools are comprised of a single solid structure, they do not have the potential to leach chemicals into the water table. The 5 layers of hand-laid structural fiberglass also acts as a natural insulator. Your filter and heater will run dramatically less, saving you on energy cost. Electrical usage. For a fiberglass, pool circulation is between 4 to 6 hours a day. For a concrete, the pool needs to circulate for about 10 hours a day. Repairs. When properly and well maintained, San Juan fiberglass pools need no repairs. Concrete pools will eventually require acid washes, painting, and refinishing. Finally, there is the warranty difference. San Juan fiberglass pools provides a 25-year non-prorated structural warranty. For concrete pools, the warranty is typically 1 year provided by the pool contractor. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.